To begin this method, I will be washing my jasmine rice by Mahatma. Now, after washing my jasmine rice, I'm going to pour this in a cup that I can reseal. Next, I'm going to pour water into the cup, and this really doesn't require a measurement. I'm just going to make sure that the water completely covers the rice. Now I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes are up, I'm going to cover the cup with a cloth so I can drain out the rice water. Now, how many of my subscribers use rice water in their hair regimen? Leave a comment down below. If you wish, you can go ahead and use this rice water as is, but I'm going to go ahead and ferment this a little bit more for about 24 hours. And there you have it. This is the completed rice water fermentation. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you guys next time.